Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Ariana
and Lily
bringing your morning announcements
on WDMS News.
Today is Friday, June 5th, 2015, B-Day.
Please stand. Okay, but before we stand and do the pledge, today in history, on June 5th, 1933, the United States went off the gold standard, the military system in which currency is backed by gold, when Congress enacted a joint resolution nullifying the right of creditors to demand payment in gold. The United States have been on the gold standard since 1879, except for an embargo on gold exports during World War I, but bank failures during the Great Depression and 1930s threatened the public into hoarding gold. Interesting.
Yay. In 1968, Bobby Kennedy was assassinated. And in 1998, the Auto Workers Union called a strike at the GM parts factory.
Now you may stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and do mess with.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community. Please be seated.
Today's math problem is: your hotel costs $164.10 per night. How much was each flight ticket? Please let your math teacher know if you can solve the equation.
Now here's Nayla with today's weather.
It was 58 degrees this morning. There's a chance of a rain shower today, and we should warm up to 75 degrees. Here's the weather for the remainder of the week. Now back to Ariana and Lily.
Thanks, Nayla. Today's word of the day is unruly. Unruly means difficult, of impossible to control. Unruly sounds like ruler, and so in today's cartoon, the caption reads, an unruly ruler. Once again, today's word of the day is unruly.
Listen up. This is the last chance for yearbooks. If you do not have a yearbook, we only have 30 extras available for purchase. We have 26 soft covers, which cost $25 each, or we have 4 hard covers, which cost $30 each. First come, first served. Bring cash or a check made out to Dundalk Middle School and give it to Mr. Slavin in room 305 if you wish to purchase one of the surplus yearbooks. Once they're gone, they're gone.
We hope the 6th graders have fun on their field trip today, and good luck to students taking their Spanish or physical finals today. Okay. Hyenas live in southern parts of Africa and are known to be climax predators. Here's a slideshow showing some of them. They're climax predators in the Niamey coast, and sadly, only 5,800 individuals remain. They are hunted and used for medicines, and sadly, they're poisoned due to them eating either cattle and fruits. And also mining disturbances cause habitat loss. But they also have some good points. I know hyenas are used to, hold up. Hyenas are good for decreasing carcasses and other animals. So when you decrease the carcasses, disease that kill humans like us and other animals, they decline too, which helps us out. And seeds will be dispersed like fruits and melons that farmers produce. But if we kill them, then we won't have the melons that we need or fruits in that area. People could be dying, and it's overall wrong. But I think we could save them. You can go at home and look up the Brown Hyena Research Project and the Conservation Oriental Project and learn how they supply food and resources and monitor their behavior so we can help save the hyenas. Thanks for your time.
Now for the words of wisdom. Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Ariana with a few words of wisdom. So usually I read off a page, but not maybe by, So usually I read off a page made by someone else, but not today. Today I want to read one of my favorite quotes to you. It goes, always smile. The world isn't full of reasons to smile, but your smile itself is a reason for others to smile too. Think of it this way. How many people smile when you smile? How many smile when they smile? You're making people happy just by doing that. It's okay not to be perfect. We all have our flaws. With something to think about, this is Ariana. Make it a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Now here's Mr. Birch with an announcement.
Morning, Team DMS. I just want to wish all of our 6th graders who are going to be attending the field trip today to the Science Center have a great time. This is a great opportunity for you to enrich and extend your learning to relevance as to what's going on. So we want to wish all the 6th graders and teachers a great time on the field trip. And for the students in 6th grade who are not going to be attending, again, this is an opportunity for you to get caught up on any missing work, outstanding work, to make sure you have completed everything that you have. Students, as we get ready to move into our last 2 weeks of school, it's important that the focus is still kept on teaching and learning. Also, students, teachers are going to be getting ready to compile your 4th quarter and final averages. It's imperative and important that you make sure you have all missing work, outstanding work that's turned in. Also, students, as you are leaders or future leaders in this building, it's important that you start with respecting yourself in order to respect others. When an adult tells you to do something, it's okay to say okay or say nothing and just go ahead and do it. Because in the real world, that's what you'll have to do when your boss or supervisor tells you to do something. Not talking back, not giving them an excuse, or not telling them blatantly no. That's how you lose a job, not how you keep a job. So you have to remember, respect is very important, and it starts from what you do today. In terms of being a successful and globally competitive student, which is what we expect from all of our students, it starts with coming to school every day. Coming to school every day on time. Coming to school with a positive attitude and applying yourself. And again, as part of Team DMS, we'll do whatever it takes to educate and inspire you to become a globally competitive graduate. Everyone in this building has the ability to be successful. The question is, are you going to do whatever it takes? And that's what we need to do to work together as you compete against other people from around the world. Let's make it a great day. Happy Friday, a wonderful weekend. And just another reminder, students, yesterday was the last day of our late bus, so we will not have any more late buses for the next 2 weeks of school. And next week, we're very excited to go on our Straight A's luncheon with our Straight A students. So we have a lot of fun activities for these last couple weeks of school. Also, last reminder, students, in terms of demonstrating SR squared behavior, any student who ends up getting an in-school suspension or out-of-school suspension during the last couple weeks of school will take a chance on not being able to be a part of the end-of-the-year activities. And for 8th graders who get in trouble those last weeks or the last days leading up to the 8th grade farewell, you might not be able to attend. So again, you want to make sure you are focusing on doing what's best to make sure you are successful. Thank you. Now back to Lily and Ariana. Happy Friday. Happy weekend.
Thanks. Well, this is Lily.
And Ariana.
Have a fantastic Friday. Save the hyenas.
Have fun, 6th grade.